Hi, my loves. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here. So, I wanted to get I'm doing this video actually to recap on where I have been. Sorry about that. I wanted to do this video and recap because I've been missing in action for 1.5 months. This year I did not even try doing a vlogmas, and that is for various reasons. Some are very personal, but generally is life doing me, maisha kunitengeneza kunitenda. But I wanted to do a recap and maybe share things here and there with you guys. So what happened is, I think the last time I vlogged was a week before my birthday. That is mid-November. So I went to Costo few days before my birthday. I went to Costo with some of my fam, and where we happened, like happened, like sherehe happened, and in the middle of sherehe happening, my phone dipped in water, and then now when I came back, I'm trying to see if like I can mend the screen. So I got a technician. The first one said that we couldn't work on it, so by the actually, with all the back and forth, I came to realize that maybe I would have, or I could have changed the screen, but now I had to get to another person to do it. That was now by the end of the month. Then so I got my screen replacement on the end of November, so that is beginning of December. So December I really tried and I really wanted to vlog, but the thing is I was not at a place where I felt like I want to vlog at that time. There's just something with digital content creation that sometimes you really wake up and you don't want to put content out there. You do not want to take your stand, you do not want to take your camera to shoot. Like, there are those days, and actually you maneuvering those days are one of the hardest things like there can never be out here in content creation. So what happened in December, there was a lot of, I was just too lazy or emotionally drained. Some things were going behind the curtains that really made me not to be in a place where I wanted to vlog emotionally. So I would not want to say like there's any particular thing that made me vlog, other than not being at a place where I felt like at that moment I am psyched enough to vlog. And I'm the kind of person, when I wake up and I'm not in a mood to vlog, I never force it, because I know I'll be deep inside me, I'm not happy about it, and there's no need of me being in front of a camera and pretending that everything is fine when everything is not fine. So yeah, that's about it. So what happened then? Now we are, I think, in the middle of, we are mid-January. So that means that adds it to like 2 months of me not vlogging. But generally what happened is, like there's that mood of laziness when January is starting. By the time you realize, from 1st to 5th, then from 5th you're trying to settle in. So actually at this moment, this is now where I feel like I'm at a space where I can vlog, or like I can talk about like what has been happening behind closed doors. So what I want to, or what I'm looking for from you guys, is you to give me suggestions about videos that I can vlog about. I am really going to say this out loud, and I know it might offend some of my followers or my viewers or my subscribers, but it is as it is. This year I can't keep on doing thrifting videos. Kwanza clothes thrifting, guys, I have a ton of clothes that, one, I do not even know where I'm going to take them. Two, some that I've worn even once. And I'm not the kind of person who will do a closet sale, so I am looking for places where I can give out some of my clothes, because honestly, I have clothes, I would not lie, that I've not worn since maybe I did a haul, or a Gikomba haul. I have a lot in terms of clothes. So I feel like right now I'm not at a place where I can do more thrifting, because the more I do thrifting, the more I end up with clothes, a lot of clothes, some that I will wear once, some that I will never wear again after a whole video. Because sometimes I get very overwhelmed and I do not actually go out a lot, or like in situations where I would wear like clothes a lot, because I work from home. So mostly actually you will find me outdoors on weekends, and that is actually 2 days in a week. So I do not need a lot of clothes. And also I'm at a point where my fashion is changing, or like is I'm at an evolution level with my fashion sense. So right now I want to go more into monochrome and neutrals. I want to drop a lot of flowers as that of what I want to moving forward. So guys, if you have places that you know I can donate clothes or give out clothes, please comment down below. I really want to get rid of my clothes. I'm a size 14, 16. So swear, some of my clothes are 14 because before motherhood I was a 14, but after motherhood I think I'm on the larger 14 or small 16. So I'm around there. I am a big girl, you know, you can see from my physique. So if you know somebody can gift or give out clothes, I will be more than willing to take it up, because honestly I have a lot of clothes and I know like I will not be needing them anytime soon. So comment down below on the comment section, tell me where I can do that. So moving forward, I want you guys to drop me comments. Also tell me what kind of videos you like to see more creating. I want to share tips with you guys on wealth creation. So I will be having sections on wealth creation on my YouTube channel, and I'm trying to figure out a day where I will be dropping a video once or twice a week on wealth creation or money making videos. Then we can do the normal other videos that I have always done with you guys. If you want to see more cooking videos, also please tell me what if you want to see more cooking videos. I'm up to that. Right now I'm looking for content that I can shoot indoors, because as I've said, there's a lot of things that are happening in my life, and I'm not at a place where I want to go out there and explore a lot, because a lot is happening and I do not have actually the time to go out and shoot videos for you guys. So my apologies if that offends you, but also there are a lot of ways that I can impact or we can share content out here, other than us going outdoors and sourcing for content. Even indoor content proves to be also perfect and good. So comment down below, guys. Tell me what content or what kind of content you like to see me creating. So that's about it. That's about the recap. I look forward to creating more content, putting it out here. And what I pray most with this new year is to create content that resonates with my viewers, because I know sometimes social media tends to be a bit on the extreme side of us showing very perfect lives, of which they're not perfect at all. We are not perfect at all. So I pray that my content will resonate with at least half, if not three-quarter of my viewers, because I want to show the realistic side of my life, because there's no perfect person or no perfect living in this world. So I hope my content will always resonate with you guys. Thank you so much again, and thank you for being here. Until next time, you have a good time. Bye.